My name's Ross Frisbee. I'm Head of Business at University Centre Shrewsbury. This week, the government has started to ease the lockdown restrictions on businesses, and staff are starting to get back to work. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to try and look at how businesses can be supported in coming up with creative ways to adapt to the restrictions that they're facing and potentially find new ways of achieving your objectives. So the aim of this series, I've got a series of lectures. They're only 1 to 2 minutes long. There's 6 lectures in total. Is to get you think about how to maximise the creativity and productivity of your staff during this difficult time. Even at University Centre Shrewsbury, we are going through a very similar process, trying to work out ways in which we can maintain our new and exciting sports, business, and events degrees there. I hope you find these lectures of some use. Our contact details are there if you would like to get in touch for any further information. But I'm looking forward to getting started on the mini lecture 1. Bye for now.